folks, welcome to a little nature lesson from Nature Northwest.
This is Mud and I'm Ben.
Hi folks, today we're going to be making a butterfly. It's really easy. You can make it in your own garden. We've started by putting down something white. It's easier to see that way.
So, a butterfly has 4 wings. 1, 2, 3, 4. And a body.
It also has 2 antennae. 1, 2. Now we need to get some sticks and leaves to make the butterfly.
Let's go.
So I've got the leaves for the outline, a stick for the body, 2 wee twigs for the antennae, daisies for the eyes, and I've got some flowers for the colouring in. All done.
So I have the wings, 1, 2, 3, 4. I have the antennae, I also have the body, and I have the 2 eyes. And now I'm going to color it in with the flowers. Why don't you try this at home?
Come back soon for more Nature Northwest.